Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Pete. You're watching Pete J. Cooper the Model Builder, and we're going
R2-D2, Your Highness.
Okay, R2-D2, as you saw there, introduced to it, Queen Amidala. We're going to 49, as you see here, issue 49. And this is a little bit about Studio, the magazines, the electronics, farming robots, and other things that the advances that we all see. And we're mounting the wheel and axle parts. Actually, we're just putting that plate on, so it's not a lot of work. So let's see what we have here. Just the two parts. Have a look at that. There are points there. They go in there, and then we're putting some of those black screws in. I'm not sure whether it's the longer ones or the shorter ones. Let's try these. I can see in there that the thread has already been made, so roller is not really necessary. You saw me just there struggling to pick up the screw, but the best thing you do is just pick it up with a screwdriver, because they are mostly magnetized, so that makes it a whole lot easier. Alright, that is on. Next parts are right here, and I'll show you the magazine. Issue number 50. And we're leaving that arm there. We're not use that yet. We're not gonna use that. We're just gonna put these two together. Pushing that through, and then pushing that through. And we've got some more of the silver and black screws, but we're using the black ones now, because these go into plastic, so they need to thread their own, make their own thread. Putting that away because this is all we do. So we're putting that away as well, and we're getting the next one out. 51. All right. This is stage 51. These parts are pretty sharp, so be careful not to cut yourself, and I'm going to keep that, both of them, just to keep it safe. And then we're going to, these parts, this is the parts that we got in an earlier stage, and we're putting that on to, let's see, I think this point, but then on the back we put that, so this, we're putting it right there. All right, as you can see, right there, and then we're going to put one on top as well. Then we can take those backings off. It probably would have been easier to put the backing on here, but that panel is in. We can put that all away and go to 52, because there's nothing else to do here. Fitting the sensor and calibrating panel. Am I missing something? I've just done 52. Let's see. We're getting that one out, but we're doing something completely different. Have I missed something? I've not missed anything. we're getting that one back because we're changing something on it. All right, we're just using what they call a calibration panel, which is in here in stage 52. But to do that, we do need to take all these screws out. Okay. All right, so we're putting everything back. All right, that little calibration piece of plastic that is in there, and that is it for that stage. Well, it was 52, so we're going straight to 53, which you see right in front of you right now. And there we go, that's the next stage. Oh. 53. So we are going to be very careful with it. And we're going to get the test panel from the previous stage in, and we're going to test some stuff. This is a very nice stage to do. All right, we get that one out. We get that one back. We do want the box, the battery box, which is right here, and we do want that lightsaber mechanism because we are going to test that. All right, now let's get those out. We're in 53, isn't it? Yep. This is the last stage in this build that I do. It's going to be a nice short video. That one's on, and then next to it on the other. So we are putting these together. Then the blue one is going to this side, the bluish one, and the orangey one is going to this side. All right, then we're going to get that one out. One out. Put that one on. There we go, we've got these connected. Then we're going to get that mechanism out and see whether or not it works. All right, that one's working. So we can take that one off. Oh, come on. All right, so I just stuffed up this lightsaber mechanism after I'm trying to get them out of the test board. There's no connector anymore, and I can't put it back. So I have to reorder a connector. Now, that one works, and that one works. All right. Well, that's not how I wanted it to go, because I've lost the connector here trying to get it out of the circuit board, the test circuit board, so I need to reorder that and wait for that to come in. I don't think we're going to put that into the unit, but that's all right. So I'm going to go on with the next video. I'm going to stop here and hope to see you in the next video. Please like, subscribe and pass it on, and join me that next time. I'm hoping that I will not break something again. But thank you very much. See you next time. Bye bye.